Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you chapter 7 of class 7. Linear equation is one in one variable. So first we will define algebraic expression. So what is the meaning of algebraic expression? But how you will define the algebraic expression? So I am giving you definition of algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is that expression in which algebraic equation you can say, or algebraic expression you can say, is that equation in which constant and variable will join with some operation. Means here operation can be plus, minus, multiply, division. Okay, in the equation in which constant and variable will join with some operation, and operation can be plus, minus, multiply, division. So this is the definition of algebraic expression. I am giving you example x plus 3. Here x is variable, any alphabet is variable, and this is the constant. So here constant and variable are joining with some operation, that is plus. So this total x plus 3 is algebraic expression. Similarly, x minus 3, x multiply 3, x divide 3, these are algebraic expression. Okay, now next definition is linear equation. So this is the type of linear equation, is the type of algebraic equation. Okay, so how you will define an algebraic equation in which degree of equation is 1. Degree means highest power of an equation. For example, here I am taking an example x plus 3. Here degree of this equation is highest power, means 1. So degree of this equation is 1. So degree must be only 1. Then only this is the linear equation. If I am taking example of x square plus 3, here degree is 2. So this is not a linear equation. Linear means 1. Okay, linear वैसे सीधा भी होता है और 1 भी बोलते हैं मैथमेटिकल लैंग्वेज में. So if degree of an equation is 1, so this will be linear equation. An example you can take, another example, 8p minus 4. Here degree of p is 1. So this is linear equation. Okay, is it clear? I am repeating again. What is algebraic expression? An expression in which constant and variable will join with some operation. Then this is the definition of algebraic expression. Example you can take x plus 3, 2x plus 3, 4x plus 4, 2x plus 4. These are the algebraic expression. Okay, and linear equation. Next definition is linear equation. When the degree of equation is 1, then we will call it is linear equation. You can take example x plus 3, 8p minus 4, 4x minus 5 or 4. Okay, so matlab degree must be only 1. Then only this is the linear equation. Now exercise 7.1, question number 1. Twice a number decreased by 8. Twice a number means let number is x. So twice means 2 times. 2 times a number x decreased by 8 gives 10. So in this we will let a number x. If they are saying twice a number means 2 times a number, 2x. Decrease means minus by 8. Gives means equal 10. So 2x minus 8 is equal to 10. This will be algebraic expression. Okay. Similarly, B parts. Thrice a number is thrice a number. Let number x. Thrice a number means 3 times. 3x is 4 more than means plus 19. So 3x is equal to 19 plus 4, 23. So expression is 3x is equal to 23. Similarly, C part, 9 added to 1/4. 1/4 means 1 by 4 of a number x gives 23. So expression will be 9 plus 1 by 4x is equal to 23. Now you can equate or you can solve it or you can leave this here. Now D part, product of a number and 5 means product means multiply. Product of number and 5 means number x and 5 का product exceed by 3, exceed 27 by 3. 27 exceed means बढ़ना, 27 plus 3. So 5x is equal to 27 plus 3 is equal to 30. So this is the expression. You have not solved it. You have just write in equation form. Okay, so don't solve it. Now E part, quotient of p and 7. Quotient of p and 7 मतलब p by 7 is means equal 4 more than 5 times a number p. So expression will be p by 7 is equal to 4 plus 5p. This is the expression. Now F part, F is double of number x. Double of number means double means 2 twice or double, both are same thing. Double of a number x is subtracted, मतलब 2x subtract हुआ है y में से, then we will they will give 4. So expression will be y minus 2x is equal to 4. Okay, now question number 2, convert the following equation into statement. Now you have to write these equation in wording. ओके मीन्स इस टाइप से आपको लिखना है. इक्वेशंस आपको दी गई हैं, आपने उसमें लिखना है स्टेटमेंट्स में. सो ए पार्ट, 7p is equal to 42. So what you will write, product of 7 and number p gives 42. Product of 7, 7p means 7 multiply p. So product of 7 and p gives 42. B part, 2p plus 5 is equal to 14. So product of 2 and p added plus है ना, added 5 gives 14. इज भी लिख सकते हो इक्वल की जगह, गिव्स भी लिख सकते हो, दैट इज योर लैंग्वेज. ओके, नाउ सी पार्ट, 3n minus 9 is equal to 18. You can do yourself. 3n means product of 3 and n subtracted 9, or you can say 9 is subtracted from product of 3 and n gives 18. 9 subtracted from product of 3 and n gives 18. Okay, now next is D part. 3x by 8 minus 16 is equal to 2. So how you will do? How you will write it? Product of 3 and x divided by 8 subtracted 16. और in case of subtraction ना, याद रखना पीछे वाला माइनस आगे वाला कर लिया करो. Then 16 is subtracted from product of 3 and x divided 8 gives 2. How you will write? 16 subtract 2 product of 3x and divided by 8 gives 2. Clear? Now E part, x plus 3 is equal to 14. This is so simple. X is added 3 gives 14. F part, 5 minus y is equal to minus 3. So in case of subtraction, y is subtracted from 5. जो y है ना वही subtract हुआ ना 5 में से. So y is subtracted from 5 gives minus 3. G part, 5p plus 7 is equal to 22. So product of 5 and p added 7 gives 22. Product of 5 and p added 7 gives 22. H part, x by 5 is equal to 5. So x divided 5 gives 5. x by का मतलब divided, or you can say x by 5 gives 5. 3y upon 4 is equal to 15. Product of 3 and y by 4 gives 15. Is it clear? Now next question is question number 3. Malti is 3 years younger than her brother. जो मालती है वो 3 years younger than her brother means अपने brother से 3 years younger है. So let the age of her brother is x or y or z. You can take anything, any variable you can take. Okay, so Malti's age is 3 years younger than her brother. छोटी है अपने भाई से 3 साल, तो x minus 3. Okay, now according to statement, according to question or according to statement, according to question, if the sum of their ages means उन दोनों की एज का सम, इसकी एज कितनी थी x एंड सिस्टर की एज x minus 3, दोनों की एज का सम is 33 years. So write an equation to find their age. So equation will be x plus x minus 3 is equal to 33. X plus x, 2x minus 3 is equal to. So this is the equation, required equation. This is okay. Now question number 4. In case of 40 student means in a class 40 students are total. Okay, total students are 40. Number of girls 1 by 5 of number of boys. 1 by 5 of number of boys. So what we will let number of boys is, let boys y. So girls are 1 by 5 of y. Now form an equation to find the number of boys and girls. Means in a class total students are 40. Total students, how will it will be? Boys plus girls. So boys are y, girls are 1 by 5y is equal to 40. In a class boys plus girls is equal to total student. So boys are y, put the value in this equation. Boys are y, girls are 1 by 5y. So 1 by 5 I have put it here. So this is the required equation. Now question number 5. Priya has 7 chocolates more than 3 times. Means in this question we are talking about Tanvi and Priya. So we will let Tanvi has chocolate. कितनी chocolate है? I am writing a short form. Priya has 7 chocolates more than 3 times of number of chocolate with Tanvi. So we will let chocolate Tanvi has Y chocolates. Okay, so according to question, they are saying Priya के पास 7 more than 3 times of Tanvi. Okay, so 7 plus 3y. Now they are saying if Priya has 13 chocolates, so write an equation to denote the number. प्रिया के पास मैं बोल रही थी कि 7 plus 3y चॉकलेट्स हैं, बट वो बोल रहे हैं कि 13 है. सो वी विल इक्वेट देम. 7 plus 3y. सो प्रिया हैज़ 13 is equal to 7 plus 3y equation. This is the required equation. Okay. Now question number 6. Write an equation for the following statement. They are giving you statements, means in wording they are saying you have to make a equation, you have to write the equation, means in mathematical form you have to write. So first is sum of 3 consecutive number is 18. So first consecutive number is कंजिक्यूटिव नंबर होता है लाइक 4 हो गया, उससे आगे 5 हो गया, 5 से आगे 6 हो गया. दीज आर द कंजिक्यूटिव नंबर, मीन्स 1 से आगे. ठीक है, लाइक 4 में +1 हुआ, 5 में +1 हुआ, 6. सो जर्नल फॉर्म ऑफ कंजिक्यूटिव नंबर इज x. सेकेंड कंजिक्यूटिव नंबर x+1. थर्ड कंजिक्यूटिव नंबर x+2. देखो x फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 है, तो 4 में +1 हुआ, देन 5 बना, 4 में +2 हुआ, then 6. So this is the consecutive number. These are the consecutive number. So journal form of consecutive number is x, x+1, x+2. They are saying sum of 3 consecutive number, means sum of these 3 number, x, x+1, x+2 is equal to 18. So x plus x plus x, 3x plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 is equal to 18. So this is the required equation. Again I am explaining. First consecutive number is x, second is x+1, third is x+2. They are saying sum of these 3 consecutive number is 18. So x plus x+1 plus x+2 is 18. So now x plus x 2x, 2x plus x 3x, and 1 plus 2 is 3 is equal to 18. Okay. Now B part of 6th question. Akshita scored twice as many as Krishna. Okay, अक्षिता है जो, अक्षिता ने स्कोर किया ट्वाइस, Akshita scored twice as many of Krishna. So we will let Krishna score x. Okay, so Akshita scored 2x. Now sum of their score is, दोनों के scores का sum means x plus 2x is 25 more than, means plus double century. In 1 century 100 are there. Okay, so double of century means 100 multiply 2. एक century में 100 होते हैं, then double of century means 2 multiply 100. So equation will be x plus 2x is equal to 25 plus 200. Now x plus 2x is equal to 225. So this is the answer. Okay, now last is parameter of a triangle, means this is a triangle. Okay, so parameter of triangle is 14 centimeter. Second side is 5 less than first side. So we will let first side is x. Okay, so they are saying second side is 5 less than first side. लेस देन के केस में सब्ट्रैक्शन वाला है, मीन्स x माइनस 5. 5 लेस है फर्स्ट साइड से, फर्स्ट साइड इज x, एंड थर्ड साइड इज 3 more than second side. So second side is x minus 5. So x minus 5. Again I am explaining this question. They are saying parameter is 14 centimeter. Second side is 5 less than first side. So we don't know the first side, so we will let x. So 5 less than first side means 5 minus x. Now they are saying third side is 3 more than second side. So second side is x minus 5. Now we know that parameter of triangle is sum of all side. So first side is x, second side is x minus 5, third side is 3 plus x minus 5, and parameter is given 14. Now x plus x 2x plus x minus 5 minus 5 minus 10 plus 3 is equal to 14. Now 3x is equal minus 7 is equal to 14. So this is the equation. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can ask in meeting, and you can ask to me personally. Okay, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.